So my name is Kieron Penrose, and I'm a director at Penrose Global Brands, selling on physical products, travel mugs and things on Amazon. My favourite speakers so far, that's a good question because there's been two or three. I would have to say Tom Breeze from this morning was really great. Great content, hints and tips, practical advice that you could put into action straight away. And just a great guy, believable, genuine, and a leader in his field. I have made some good contacts at the seminar. In fact, both last night and particularly this morning, we had a breakfast meeting, and I met up with a couple of people, somebody else who's also selling on Amazon, and just us sitting down, having a tea and a coffee, sharing what's working for us at the moment. There were a couple of gems in there of things I didn't know, and vice versa the other way. So we've swapped cards and contact details, and I'm sure we'll regularly be in touch. One of the things that I have learned from the seminar is, and again there's a number of things, but probably the biggest is because we're already doing really well on ranking of our YouTube ads and testimonials for our Amazon business. One of the key insights though from Tom Breeze was how to put that in front of the right audience. So to target that as a placement video ad rather than just a general video ad should be very, very beneficial. I'll be testing that next week.